Hi Taurians, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of December 2020, and we will see what are the energies you are getting in the month of December, how is it going to be for you, and what exactly you should avoid doing in this month, your relationship area, your finances, your materialistic life. So let's get ahead with the very first card, which is the theme of the month card for you. We will start the reading with that, and along with that, we are moving ahead with the first week of vibrations. Then we have the second week with us. We have third week. How are the energies for you? And then we have the fourth week here, which is very important for you. I think the third and the fourth week is going to be a very important week for you in terms of decision making, and then the major changes are happening between third and fourth week with you, Taurus. But then this month's theme is all about celebration. You can relax a bit. Maybe the starting of the month is giving you relaxing energies. It is talking about being, if you have been struggling with something, you're dealing with very serious and critical issues in life for some time now. I think this month will give you some relaxation in terms of just put your hair down and then be a part of a celebration. Someone is getting married in the family, or there's a birth of a child in the family, there's a birthday, there's an engagement, there's a wedding. You will get an opportunity to be a part of these kind of events in life in December, and that's a beautiful thing because you have your 2020 has not been that kind of a great month. I think a lot of you were facing a lot of struggle in terms of your emotional lives. That's what I have gathered, whatever I have read till now for you in this year. The first week will give you opportunity to pack your bags, make some planning, go for a vacation, but then be out of stress area for some time. So if you have been into stress for some time, if you've been into a area where you are not able to focus on yourself, have you not been able to pamper yourself well, I think December will give you that opportunity, Taurus. So make most out of it. Okay, that's one. You will feel like that you're a new person suddenly, so you are leaving a lot of things in of past behind, and this is why you will feel like that you're a new person altogether in life. So that changes, those changes are happening your way, coming your way in the month of December, Taurus. So it is a relaxing start of the month for you, Taurus. um, Second week will actually is putting you into some disappointments, and I will tell you the kind of disappointments are these: over expectations little too much, expecting little too much from people who did not, whom you knew always are not going to deliver the way you expected it. So it's going to be heartbreaking. It is going to give you that kind of a fire inside, that oh, I have done this and that for people, and they when it came to the to time and an opportunity where they had to do something for you, they did not deliver as per commitment. So that disappointment is coming your way. But then listen, not everyone is your enemy, and not everyone is like that in the world. So do not evaluate everyone in the the entire world in the same kind of don't measure them on the same scale as you have measured this person. So maybe this person has been a disappointment for you. So if it is a relationship, and if I talk about relationship, your partner will not be contributing to the relationship the way you have contributed to it. So your expectations are not met there in the second week, and this is why you're disappointed. But listen, there are other people in the world, there are other people in your life who are like, who love you truly. A relationship cannot always be a relationship, and you should not evaluate relationships in one romantic angle. There are relationships in life like your father, your mother, your kids, your maybe your wife, or maybe your friend, a close friend, who is a relationship for you, and that is also considered to be a relationship. You have other people in life, focus in them, make your life around them, rather than you know uh, being so negative in life just because of one person, because just one person did not deliver as per your expectations. Hold on, just breathe in, and then think about it again. Is it really worth to disturb your peace of mind because of this one person? This looks like a fire energy, and this person was aggressive always. You knew it, he will behave like this, but then I don't know why you're so upset. You could see this coming. You were always able to see these red flags, but then it was you who was ignoring them, right? Moving to the third week, because you are so disappointed, because you are so upset, because there's a continuation of card, and you will be surprised the way these cards talk to, in continuation. You're upset, and this upset behavior of yours is inviting mental stress for you. It is inviting anxiety, depression. It is inviting mental health issues, physical health issues for you. uh, you might lose some money also. You might lose some money to the doctors, visiting doctors, psychologists, and then um, therapist, and then wasting your money there, because you yourself know the treatment of this problem, Torian, and you are making it big every day with your own thought process. So just hold on. I will again say hold on, evaluate, and then see, was it really worth giving so much importance to this person? It was you who has invited it, and it is you who can end it now. Stop thinking about it. Stop spending your time the entire day talking about and thinking about this one aspect of your life. There are other things, other people in life whom you can concentrate on. That's what I see in your cards. Movement is certainly there in your cards. So you are moving. It can be a job movement also, which is a financial movement. And that is going to impact you in terms of your life's transformation. So at times what happens is that we are not doing well in our emotional life, and suddenly we get an opportunity which is emotional, not emotional, but then financial opportunity, which makes you so much engrossed in your work, so much focused and involved in the work, that you forget the kind of pain you were going through. So this will work like an escape way for you, where you can invest your time, your energies in this new thing, which is a movement coming your way. Focus on this movement. It is going to get you a transition in life, movement, transformation. And this transformation is a forceful transformation which is coming your way, because if things, angels had given things in your hand and said that you do things this way, you would have never done that. So now they are giving you and making you, pushing you towards a forceful transformation, which was very important for you, which you wouldn't have done yourself. And for that transformation, you will be required to maintain yourself. You'll have to be dealing with a lot of wild energies. You will have to tame them down. You will invest your energies there, and this is why you are getting distracted and you are getting diverted from that this person towards a, productive life or a productive future altogether. New things are coming your way. Transformations are suddenly coming your way and certainly coming your way. But you will have to live the entire month like this, and then only you will reach at that stage, because the change, the forceful change I'm talking about in your life, it is going to hit you by the end of December. So that's the last week which is getting this. So I will say the initial few days of the last week are going to initiate this change in your life, and then you will have to continue with that in the year coming, Taurians. Let's quickly take a message from the universe in terms of your emotional life, your love life, your relationship. How should you really be treating your partner now? I see some aggression in terms of your partner in your mind. So aggressive energies are ruling your head. There's a fire inside you, and then you're still trying to deal with this person. With all that fire, this person is very creative, aggressive again, so you're not able to deal them well. This is why you're upset. A lot of things are happening there. So let's quickly take a message for you. It's not only about being right. At times what happens is that we have a habit of winning everything. We are a winner. We consider ourselves as winners. And we think if we win, and this is the way, this is the criteria of winning. But at times winning is not important. What is important is peace of mind. If you have to lose some arguments with your partner just to maintain and make peace in your life, then do that. There's no harm in doing that. Saying sorry is not that difficult. It is just a word, but then it is going to be very, very productive for you, rather than getting into some foolish argument with the person who you know will not be able to understand you, and then will make your life all the more problematic. So the card says it is all about your peace of mind rather than winning an argument. So decide between peace and winning an argument. So lose an argument and win peace in life. That's what my message is for you. Let's take a message from the angels also this time for you, because I feel that you will need that, and you certainly need it, because I see movements happening here. I see some important things, important people impacting your life here. Finances look like stable, so I don't really see a challenge when it comes to finances here. Your mental health is going to be at stake in the month of December, because you're working towards something very important, very big. I've got a card for you on its own. It's a message from God. I take it for you. It says, cut your cords. Ask Archangel Michael to clear old attachments to fear that stem your past relationship feelings and freeing you from destructive patterns. Archangel Michael is someone who actually had defeated Lucifer, and to make peace in the world, because Lucifer is considered to be a devil who once upon a time used to be an angel, and then he got diverted, and this is why Michael had to come and pitch in, and then had to have a war with Lucifer, and then he had put him down. Now you will have to act like Archangel Michael for yourself, or pray to Archangel Michael that you are the way he had defeated Lucifer and then made peace in the world. You will have to defeat your past relationships, past memories of a relationship, to make peace in your life. That's very important at this point in time for you. If the Archangel Michael himself has appeared in a reading and telling you that you need to cut your cords from your past relationships, I think it is worth doing it. So please do it. Okay, take care, be happy. Reach me on 8448901791 for your personalized readings, and God bless you all. Bye.